Hello, everybody. Welcome to HCKT TV. My name's Mark, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Please, if you like the content, subscribe and leave a comment. This channel will have ginseng hunting. It will have news, what's going on around Harlan, and also the surrounding areas of Harlan. We do council meetings for Everett's, and a lot of stuff just happens here. We also take requests from people who lived in the area and have moved away and would like to see what the area looks like now. So sit back, enjoy yourself, get your popcorn out, and enjoy HCKT TV. Make sure you give us a subscription if we've earned it. Thank you. Well, I've got a 3-prong here finally. It's been all morning looking for these things. It's the 29th. It's been rainy. It's been a hectic day. Been kind of sick to my stomach about all day. We'll see what this one looks like. Looks like we got a couple here. Careful. That one's going back that way. That one's laying on top of it. All right. Let's get something out to hold the camera, and we'll be right back. That's all I found this morning so far. A few pieces. I'm guessing you all can see everything. I don't think the hurricane completely destroyed the season out, but it sure has put a hurting on it. I think all the... Ooh, that's a nice little bulb root. I think all the golden ones that was real brittle, they're probably pretty much done for. That I do think. I mean, you might find a few that got protected, but we had 70 to 80 mile an hour winds ripping up on these peaks. So it's been some nasty weather around here. It really has. But there's proof, guys. If you stay on the north side, you'll still find it green. Not really concerned about keeping the tops today. They're pretty dirty. Of course, I stepped on it. But I've got a bunch of tops at home for tea. I guess we'll mosey on around and see what else we find. Look at this one we just found. Mixing. It is slick today, guys. If y'all don't need to be out doing this stuff, stay home. Look at this nice one. Just move this piece of baby coal hush here. Nice 3-prong. Big leaner. Leaning down the mountain. See what kind of root we got on her. Wait a minute now. If that's not missing a prong, there's another piece of ginseng, but where in the heck did it come from? It didn't break off of this one. Who knows? This stuff has took a beating. It was laying right up here. I can scratch around up here and figure out where it come from. Sure looked like a sane leaf to me. I don't see no plants. I don't see no curls. Let's just focus on the one we do see. It has took a beating this year, I tell you. Sorry about my cup hitting the phone there. Huh. Weird. That little worm crawl out. Oh, somebody's digging my home up. Don't worry, little buddy. You can go back in there in a minute. Just let me get this root out of the ground right here. I tell you, this place is rocky. Sand don't get real big. That's Beth root. Oh, it's got twins going down it. I gotta get it up by these tree roots without breaking it. Oops, sorry guys. Sometimes you gotta get a little hateful with it. I really hate getting hateful with sand because usually that's when you break it, when you're trying to get it out. It's not wanting to come out. You're like, come on, buddy. And you get it wound up in these tree roots like this. Makes it a lot rougher to get out. There she comes. There she comes. Decent little root. I will keep that top. Chew on it. It's in my mouth, hanging way down under the camera. It's just a 3-prong, but it's a nice one. Decent little top. Decent little root. Nothing spectacular, though. Nothing to write home to mama about. I'm not going to stay in here much longer because it looks like we're about to get some more rain. We've got fog moving in. This is not a good day to be out, I'll tell you. We just come from over there. I come across this little point here. Actually got in a little patch, it looks like. I see one there, right here. And I see, where's it at? One above it, and then one above that one. Try and look around and see what else I find. I hope all y'all have had a pretty good season. A little one there, little one there. I'm gonna fool with them. One there. A pretty one here. And we got one laying up there. That's about all I'm seeing. Got one laying right here. Did y'all hear that? What was that? Yeah. Ah, broke that one. Broke a little hair root off of it. That's just great. It's just wonderful. That's that little worm getting out of Dodge. Okay, there's that one that didn't have a top. Let's see what this one's got on it. Looks like it's got a nice little tater. Nice little old tater on it. we can get up there and find us a big one. Something made all these. That's what I'm hoping for. Get up there and find their mommies and daddies. See, my stomach's been hurting all day. It's not been a good day to be out for me. It really isn't. Let's just get this backpack off. Get these guys put up. I've been out in this weather, digging in this rain. I probably have about made myself sick. I gotta go back to work soon. Because work's what pays my bills. This used to actually pay my bills. Digging cohosh, slipping bark, all that good stuff. But I've not been able to do that in a while. I always like to just scratch around, pull that piece of blue cohosh up. Because you will find sane. Let's put that piece of blue cohosh back. See, I mean, there's a sane leaf. I have no idea. Ooh, it's right there with it, wasn't it? All covered up. I raked it up right then. Didn't even see it. There's its little top. I didn't even see it. So I'm telling where it's at. Scratch around, look around for a minute though. See if we might can uncover a stem, a neck. I don't think we will. We'll move on up. We just know there's more in here then, don't we? Gotta be careful hunting it, especially this time of year. It's brittle as brittle can be. I hope you're all able to see that stuff right. You're able to watch me actually dig it up. It looks like you're looking at the daggum my feet when I bend over. Maybe that'll be better for you. I don't know. Get some hair roots out. There we go. Got that one out. see anymore. I forgot I was going to leave this stupid backpack off. So I got them dug up. Phew, what a day, guys. What a day. Going up to the next one. See what I mean about them growing like 10, 15 feet apart or whatever. Sometimes it's closer. Which is in this case. I'm not seeing any more up through or above this one. So. Let's get him out. See what the world we got going on here. Oh, is that part of it? I hope so. Oh, no, it doesn't feel like a seam. Huh. Got one growing on top of the ground. Trying to look. Y'all ever get that feeling like there's something humongous around you, but you can't see it? That's the feeling I'm getting. Like there's this big ass four-prong looking at me and laughing right now. It's like pulling a John Cena, saying, "You can't see me." I don't know. Could just be me. I don't know. No, I didn't throw it on the ground. Put it in my backpack. But yeah, that's just the feeling I get. Like there's something looking at me. Damn, this is an old one. Y'all see that guy? He's old. Nice old root there. Oh yeah, very old. Where's it going to? Got a piece of it there. Hope we don't cut it or break it. Got a piece of it there. It just keeps going on down, don't it? Yeah, it's pretty old. I don't want to fool around and break it. I can't really tell where it's running to. Okay. Okay. That's probably my oldest of the day. He's a good 30-year-old root. All right. See what else we see. That's what I thought. I didn't think I clipped you back. Starting to get cold. I wish I was able to go live. I don't have signal here where I'm at. Can't do the live streams. I'm gonna let y'all join me on the walk up just for a minute here. See if we see anything else. Well, I don't, but we'll go on up and look, see what we find. Well, this will give you an idea of the last time somebody's come through here besides me. And usually when they are drinking beer and digging Ginseng, they don't do too good. They'll miss a lot of the big ones. It's pretty faded. I don't see no born on date. That's what I was kind of looking to see. If it had one. Not seeing one. It says C bottom, but it's done gone. So, but you can tell it's faded. It's still a big mouth can. It's gotten pretty foggy. It's starting to ease up. It was a lot thicker than this, but I think rain's moving back in. I'm gonna try to get the heck on up out of here and get home with what little bit I do have. You know, Ginseng's not moved a whole lot. far as pricing goes, it's not really moved a whole lot. Hope there's a Viney Winnie can. Where somebody had them a can of puppy peckers. Those puppy peckers are pretty good when you heat them up, I think. I don't really like them raw. I like to start a little fire and cook them myself. As you can see the can right over there. Well, I'm gonna head on around here. Hopefully I run into a big 4-prong. I've only found 3 prongs today. No big 4s. Just been 3s. They've been old seine, mostly. So that's good. The older and the bigger your roots are, the more valuable they are. Don't let nobody talk you out of your seine for much of nothing unless you just absolutely have to sell it because you need to pay bills or put food on your table. I mean, that's understandable. But they holler the same crap every year. Gonna be a bad year, gonna be a bad year. And come November, it skyrockets. That's pretty much what I'm hoping for again. We'll see. Here's just a yellow one. Another 3-prong. Are they any more around me? This is some of the cliffiest stuff I've been in years. It's cliffy back here, guys. It really is. It's dangerous when it's slick. I can't believe how this year's done. Maybe something good will happen in the end. Maybe. I don't know. You know, I myself would love to see American companies start to use more wild ginseng than the farm-grown stuff. It's a pretty root going to come out of here. You know, I've dug several pretty ones out today. I want to get up there and see my buddy up in Kaywood. He's been a little ill. He wrote me and told me that he fell and ended up hurting his knee or something. I'm trying to remember from the message, because he was like, dude, I feel like I let you down. I was like, no way, man. It's a decent little route right there. And I like finding them like that. It's a quality thing there. But I was like, no, man, you didn't let me down. You take care of yourself first, you know, and we'll get together another day. Whoa, dropped you guys. Huh. Sorry about that. Yeah, but I was like, we'll get together another day. You worry about yourself and your health first, you know, because we'll always be friends. We'll always hunt together. I mean, not a bad day for what little bit of time I've been in this holler, but it's not no normal day for me, I'll tell you that. But of course, I did get a real late start today. Way later start than normal. I've only actually got to hunt so far 4 or 5 hours this morning. I'm still on my whole thermos of coffee here. Gotta rinse it out. Got a lot of dirt in it. I know God made dirt and dirt don't hurt, but I drink my coffee straight black, so. You know, I had a viewer send me some of that Black Rifle coffee. That stuff was good, man. If y'all like coffee, you like it black. Don't drink candy bars like some. They're a good coffee company. I want to thank that viewer for sending that. I'm pretty sure I made a video opening the box. I usually do. And thank them when they send me gifts. I'm also going to be doing the Christmas card exchange again. If any of y'all want to exchange Christmas cards, I'll put my P.O. box address up and you guys can mail it and then I'll return it. I'll send one back. Well, let's get up here and see if we can find some more and get on out of here before it gets too late. I've got stuff I need to get done today and took care of. I've got to go back to work tomorrow. Everybody's looking for that perfect ending. That's a perfect sunset. I hope y'all liked today's adventure. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Helps me out more than you could ever imagine. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up too. Also, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this adventure. I know we didn't find a lot, but it's been a pretty rough year as far as getting back in places. So, until next time, we'll see you guys later. God bless, take care, and have a wonderful